Another fantastic machine has just arrived. This is the Defender 110 with the 7 seats. That's the key thing here. But then what else makes it special is the fact that it looks beautiful. This car is a very bespoke Defender because it's the D300, which is a 3-litre, 300 brake horsepower. It's a 2023 registration with just 29,000 miles on. Thousands and thousands have been spent on this car to make it look as bespoke as possible, but it's still very practical. It's got all the all-important air suspension. It's got adaptive cruise control. Now let's talk about the aesthetic side of it. You've got different badging going on there. You've got the illuminated front grille. Everything is colour-coded. LED upgraded headlights with LED DRLs. You've got front rear parking sensors, 360 camera system, the full extended arch kit in gloss black. You've then got the matte black 22-inch upgraded alloy wheels. I love the neon blue brake calipers just behind there. Fixed mud flaps, side steps, black side venting, contrasting black roof. Remember, this car is bespoke. What that means is someone took a Defender, spent a lot of money on it to make it look really, really good. At the same time, a lot of this is not from the factory, so please be mindful that when you're buying a car like this, that's used with 29,000 miles on, where somebody has spent money on it. For example, this is a wrap, a vinyl wrap, so it didn't come from the factory with a black roof, but it looks good. So everything's about aesthetic. Mechanically, it's got all the features, the air suspension, the cruise control, the heated seats, a sat-nav. But the point I'm making is when you're buying a car that's been modified a little bit to look better, there has to be a little bit of grace. But this one is awesome, very well fitted around the arches, the spoiler, and the wrap as well. Side steps are there to get in and out, makes life a lot easier. As for the interior, you've got automatic gearbox. You've got the dual zone climate control, air conditioning on a day like today, absolutely needed. You've also got the centre bridge area, which has the twin cup holders, centre armrest, all the adjustments for the seat, up and down, lumbar support, fully fitted mat, Meridian sound system. But remember, it's 7 seats, and that's where the big thing stands. Because not that you have to use all 7 seats, but it's very, very practical if you are to use the back seats. Now, they are individual seats, so you can have 7, you can have 6, 5, put all this down and use as a 2-seater. Do as you please. Rear cup holders as well. You've then got the top spoiler, the hardback spare wheel cover, exclusive even, tinted rear lighting system. That has all changed as well. And then there's a load area. The car's got the air suspension, which means you can drop and raise the car as and when you need to. As for the condition of the car, if you look down the sides of the car, it's in a beautiful condition, very well looked after. Yes, it's used, but here at Acklem Cars, we are so picky at what we sell. We always want to give our customers what we would accept ourselves. So it's important that when we do sell cars, they look good, they smell good, and they've been looked after. You have got the upgraded leather steering wheel. You've then got the touchscreen media system, which gives you Apple CarPlay, Android Auto navigation. 2 keys, a locking wheel nut is all here as well, with lots of charging ports available. Meridian sound system. Right colour, right spec. Over and above spec is all the bespoke styling, the 7 seats, and the fact that it's a D300. So when you do your research and you look at what's available, try and find one that looks as good as this, that has the same engine, but most importantly, the 7 seats. My name's Joe. If you like what you see, give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.